Hello everyone! Let's open this LOL surprise! Okay, let's see what's inside. Alright, let's open it. Oops. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at these. So cute. One bag, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, we have 6 bags. 6 bags to open. Oh, look at this. Look at it. This one has a confetti. See, there's confetti inside. Okay. Alright. Let's open this one. The big bag. Okay. Here we go. Let's see here. Oh my! Look! Oh my gosh! She is so pretty. Oh wow! I like her hair. See? It's like a jelly. Oh my! Nice. Okay, oops. Oops. Her head is too big. Let me see if she can stand over here. See. Oh no. She doesn't have shoes. So it won't fit. Alright. Let's set her over there. Alright, let's open another one. This one. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow! Her outfit! Yeah! Alright. Look! So cute! Oh. Alright. Now she has an outfit. She has a dress. Okay, let's put her dress on. Okay. Here we go. Let's see here. Put your teeny tiny hand in there. Arm in. Oh, there we go. Okay, the other one. Oops. Oh, she's so tiny. Alright, there you go. Okay. Now she has the dress. Pretty dress. Oh, look at her. Oh. Nice. Okay. Alright. Let's open another bag. What's in here? What's this? Oh! Her sippy cup. Yeah, she's thirsty. She needs water. Num num num. There. Now she's drinking. Alright. Okay, you stay here. And we'll open another bag. Let's see here. Oh, what's this? A lollipop? Oh, let's see. Let's put this thing in her mouth, like that, like that. Oh, push off. There you go. Oh, it's like a bubble gum, you know. She blew a bubble gum. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, let's open another one. See here. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's an ice cream. Oh, wow. It's an ice cream, right? Yeah. Nice. Okay. And last bag is here. Oh, her shoes. Yes. Yeah, she has the shoes. Okay. Oh, so cute, so tiny. Look at this. Alright. Let's put her shoes on. There you go. Okay, another one. Okay. There you are. Oh, so cute. Look at her. Oh, wow. Let's put her over here. She fits in here now because she has the shoes on. Alright, look at her. Ah, yeah. Oh, so pretty. Alright, thank you all for watching. Until next time. Next LOL surprise unboxing.